Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another Saturday walkthrough through our garden. Not a lot to harvest. We harvested a bunch last week. And everything's coming back up. We have this random bok choy growing. We harvested all our bok choy last week. We're going to be picking some kale, making some seeds. Our lettuce bed, it's not growing so well. The weather hasn't been perfect for lettuce. But our marjoram and sage. Well, let's take a quick look over here. We're going to be planting our seedlings maybe this weekend. So that's mulberry, papaya, moringa, another zucchini coming up, bell pepper not coming up. Our strawberries are doing super well. And that's, it's going to take over our chives, so we're going to have to move our chives, and that's thyme, and our green onions, of course. So we'll be harvesting our daikon, the last of our daikon, this weekend. We cleared out all of this last weekend. That was our daikon and bok choy bed. We're going to plant more there. I really like the daikon. And our papaya. Ooh, it's changing color. I think it's gonna be ready. So over here we have our stevia and our shiso. Shiso is doing really well. Our onion and ginger bed. Our red Chinese lettuce, this is doing really well. Our beets, you saw last week we harvested a beet. Gonna maybe pick some beet greens, harvest some beans, a lot of beans to harvest. Our next bean plants are coming up here. Probably need to plant more there, didn't come up. That one's doing well. So I think these three we're gonna keep to beans, because beans seem to grow real well here. And here's our seedling bed. We have a few lettuce coming up. Gonna put more seeds down. The beets didn't come up. And our green onions growing back. We're gonna be harvesting some green onion. And here's our lily koi. There's the fruit right there. Some are falling off, which we'll harvest. Or actually pick up and see if we can use. But we're getting some nice lily koi here. It's our dragon fruit. Chinese lettuce is not doing really well here. Those are the seedlings. Red lettuce we'll be harvesting. There's a chayote over there. You can see it right there. So our chili pepper plant. I don't know why our Chinese lettuce looks weird, but it's coming up and we keep planting it. I think it's the elevation. And we have a bunch of little eggplants to harvest. Oh, and we have a weed. Let's pull this out. And it looks like we're gonna have some green peppers. So this is our bok choy lettuce bed, which we cleared out. Letting it rest probably one more week. And we'll be planting some seeds in there. Our zucchini plant is already producing zucchini. So know why they're yellow, because the seeds are for yellow zucchini. Didn't realize that. And here's our winter melon. I think we're gonna just pick this. It's getting huge. Another one there, another one there. There was one more on the other side. I think that's going to be it for this plant. Gotta thin out these onions. That's our cucumber. And our beets. Our beets have become one of our favorite crops next to lettuce. It's so interesting why the lettuce isn't doing well. Again, I think it's too hot, not enough water. And here's our citrus. Forget what this is, but these flowers smell so good. Let's go to our final bed. Our red potatoes, and we harvested some red potatoes, and there's a separate video on that coming up. Our purple potatoes. Somebody said you can eat these leaves. I gotta check on that. And our cucumber is on its last leg. Few last cucumbers. Maybe harvest those. Gonna replant this bed. We need to plant carrots again. Well, it's a beautiful Saturday morning in Ocean View. It's gonna be clear blue skies, and it clouds up later in the afternoon. Hopefully we'll get to do some fishing and diving after we do some yard work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.